Hello viewers, Flipkart's code sale is coming on 4th July. Motorola is launching a new tablet by the name Moto Pad 70 Pro. Lots of good features have been included in this tablet. Be it display, processor, battery, AI, pen support, everything is good enough. The price of this tablet is around 33,000 rupees. Should you buy this tablet? We will find out that in this video. If you want to buy any tablet during code sale, that will be the best offer for you. If you have ICICI Bank credit card or Bank of Baroda credit card, in that case you will definitely get instant 10% discount. But before buying any tablet, you must know the exact or the best price of each and every tablet. Otherwise you may be fooled by the sellers of Flipkart. I have made many videos regarding the price point of each and every tablet, and in the coming days I will make another updated video about the latest best pricing of each and every tablet, so don't miss that video. Now coming to Moto Pad 70 Pro, actually this will be a very good tablet, but I don't think you should spend around 33,000 rupees on Motorola tablets. Hardware wise, Motorola tablets are very good, but if you want to compare the software updates, you will not get regular software updates on this Motorola Pad 70 Pro. And even if you get updates on Motorola Pad 70 Pro, that update will not be smooth enough like Samsung tablets in the Android market and Apple iPads, which are known for their smooth software cycle. Rather, I would suggest you to buy Motorola Pad 60 Pro if you get the pricing right. If you want to buy the 128 GB of Moto Pad 60 Pro, in that case the best price would be around 21 to 23,000 rupees maximum, and if you want to buy the 256 GB, in that case the best price would be around 23 to 25,000 rupees maximum. And if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, in that case Moto Pad 60 Pro will be available under 20,000 price bracket. If you want to buy a tablet above 30,000 price point, in that case I will suggest you 3 brands that you can buy. The first product will be Samsung tablets, maybe Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE or S10 FE Plus. The second brand that you can actually buy is iPad 11th generation, which is a great entry-level iPad. And the third brand that you can spend above 30,000 rupees is Oneplus Pad 2 or Oneplus Pad 3 if you can get the best offers on these tablets. Otherwise, in my opinion, you should not spend above 30,000 rupees on a tablet. Now let me know your thoughts regarding this. And if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, again I am saying that you will get great offers, but code sale will also be a very good sale for tablet buyers. In my next video I will talk about the price point that you can pay for buying a tablet in code sale. If you are interested to know about the pricing of tablets, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.